Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. So guys, happy new year guys. Today is new year. It's 2025 and I believe this year is going to be amazing for us all. Now in this vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys a day out with my squad. So we went to JK Randle Museum and it was fun. Like what I thought I would get like from the experience was not what I got. I got so much more. It was amazing and yeah, let's get into it. So like I said, I went there with my amazing squad. So I went there with Ronke, Titi, Tammy, and our sucre papito, Theophilus. Don't worry, you see yourself. For sure. As in we enjoyed ourselves. It was so much fun because we've not done this in a long time, like coming together, you know, going out together just like this. We hardly see each other like as a group just like this. It's either one person is seeing another person, like two people seeing each other. It's never like together except video calls basically. So we were so excited to actually be going to this museum to go and explore. So guys, before we got to the museum area, like this place actually has like amazing things that you can even see around. And then we saw Pelumi Nubi's car, so the content creator that embarked on a solo trip from London to Lagos. Like the car that she drove for 73 days, it was there like an exhibition piece basically.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really.
So after we checked that out, we now went to the main museum itself. You have to register basically. So the registration was 3,000 naira per person. So that's how much you need to just explore this entire museum. So guys, I'm going to stop talking now. You're going to be hearing my voice from time to time. But apart from that, I'm going to be showing you guys like the amazing things that are in this museum. So let's get in. Oh my god.
I believe in the better day. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or
She will now want us to do a video about coming up. Can you imagine? What's the about this?
Good afternoon. Sorry.
Is this bonbon?
Hey, Gogo.
Is it from bonbon?
Not Gogo, or police people.
I need to understand.
Yes. Gogo, see, after I see.
Yeah, she's Gogo.
I
After a period. Hi. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is Jimmy. Tiffany, I'll send me my phone, please. Are you making a video?
I'm not making it.
Isheta.
This is story of creation. I know that dude.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take
Can someone even explore everything here?
And now,
Is it possible?
Lord, ni mo ní o ṣe.
Sorry, oh.
This how your granddad.
So, guys, fun fact about the Ayo statue. When I was little, we usually go to like the Ayo festival, but it's not like I remember everything, but I kind of remember that we usually go there year after year. And then, as we were at this museum, Nigeria happened.
Hey.
NEPA took the light. Like, it's so
NEPA.
crazy. Like, Nigeria happens to everybody, literally. And then the lights finally came on, and I decided to go to the fabric section, the fashion section. That's my thing. So I was very, very, like, it felt like I was a kid in a candy store. Like, I enjoyed, looking at the fabrics, looking at the history and everything. It was just fabulous. It was very fabulous.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Ọba tí ilé ẹ̀fẹ̀ wá sí ìlú ọ̀hún nígbà tí kábíyèsí kú mọ́ lè mú ó tọrọ rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn òbí rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí òun ti ṣáyà. Inú àwọn òbí wọn ní màdùn lọ́wọ́. Àdúrà rẹ̀ ti gbà àwọn sì kú lórí mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀kú rẹ̀. Òun náà sì tẹ̀síwájú.
we call this palazzo. Like you know.
Láti ṣọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn ènìyàn
I have so many videos now.
Like,
I'll have it difficult.
to edit. Oh.
I got something to prove, I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Then there was this thing on the screen where people would move their body. Then the thing on the screen would be moving based on their movements. It's not me and them that will do that one. So it's the girl that was there that was doing it. So I kind of captured her doing it basically. But me going there to actually move, and the masquerade is moving in my dance moves, like based on my dance moves, basically, I cannot do it.
Oh, it's you guys I was looking for, safe. Oh, okay.
Remember this one, Gangs of Lagos? Yeah?
I've not watched.
Your face is not there, not down there.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna.
So guys, I lost the footage of us actually coming down from the museum because that place was really nice. It was very beautiful, but this was us outside. They had already set up some large sized board games on the floor, so people could, you know, pay and play it and stuff.
Was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Then we saw a game room where we said we would probably come back another time for a group hangout just like this, and, you know, play the games, you know, enjoy ourselves, basically have fun. And then after that, we just like explored some other places and we went to get something to eat, basically.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
So when we're done at the museum, we went to the other side of the road. There's a mall there, basically. So we thought we could find, you know, something to eat or something, basically. So we went upstairs, came back down to the cafe, and we just had to get ice cream and snacks. And yes guys, that's all I have for this particular vlog. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section, share this video within and outside your circle, join in as a member of the channel as well. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.